Introducing steel blue leather. Whether it's on-site or on the factory floor, we're always searching for new ways to improve and evolve the work boot. That's why we set out to design the most comfortable work boots in the business. Using only the highest quality leather, ethically sourced from premium tanneries, requiring no break-in time, makes steel blue work boots comfortable from day one. Whether it's the velvet-like finish of nubuck or waxy, all-purpose full-grain leather, each style of boot is the right boot for the right job. Breathable, water-resistant, tough. Leather that can take you comfortably through the day from the construction site to the factory floor. Capable of standing up to whatever the job throws at you, no matter the conditions. Made to the highest quality production standards and certifications, and backed by our 100% comfort guarantee. Steel blue leather work boots. Built for comfort, made for work.